Last week was the community game jam, hosted by a lot of dudes. The idea was to make a game in 1 week. Here is how I made my game Alone with a Liar. I started writing some ideas on the paper, but the theme was really hard for me, and I had no idea what to do. So I decided to make a simple game like an adventure map in Minecraft. The first thing to do was to make some blocks, and it was really easy with this amazing software. After that, it was the time to head up in Unity to create the project and import the assets. I started working on some kind of first-person controller, and it was really tricky because it was my first time creating an advanced character controller. The next step was to add the grappling hook system. I designed the rough pistol and the player model as well. After a few animations and fixing, the player was ready to start his adventure. I quickly made a room to test the graphics, and it was exactly what I wanted. After that, it was the end of the first day. On day 2, I started making the hotbar system for the game items. I worked on the next area of the level, which was the sewers. I created some kind of dirty water shaders. The atmosphere of the level gave me the idea of finding a torchlight. After that, it was the end of the second day. On day 3, I realized that my character controller didn't add air control, which was something that I really need. So after struggling a few hours, I finally managed to add that. I spent some of the time working on the switching mechanics and a lot of fixes for the grappling hook. It was the end of the third day. Day 4, I've added a range indicator, so the player can see if he can go to the aimed block. I've also finished the doors opening animation. At this point of time, I had the idea to add some security cameras. At the end of the day, this is what the level looks like. I started my day earlier working on a quick edit of the game music credits. Then I worked on the game monitors. I made the images of the security cameras that will be displayed on the monitors with Photoshop. And I've made this. Don't ask why, I don't know either. At the end of the day, The level was bigger and had way more details. Day 5. I spent the whole day working on the dialogue system and it was quite a mess. This is why I recorded almost nothing. Day 7. This was the most stressful day because everything needs to work properly. I implemented the pause menu and the main menu. And I realized earlier that I have performance issues on my game. I tried to add occlusion culling that render only the block we are looking, but it results in a strange behavior, as you can see. It was too late to find where the problem is, so I gave up this part. I've almost forgot to add splash screens. The last thing remained before uploading was to make the game icon in Photoshop. After a few playtests with my friends, I finally managed to fix the most annoying bugs. After that, I finished uploading my entry on itch.io. My game is not perfect, but I'm proud of what I've made alone in a single week. I'm really sorry for my awful accent, it took me a few hours of voice recording and I'm really tired now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the game that I'm currently making. Bye bye!